Okay, hi guys, it's Ryan from the Private Banking Forum. Just continuing this journal on establishing this long position, long swing position in crude oil. If you watch in my video from this morning, you'd know that I was long from 106.88 since yesterday, off of the lows of this composite that we're building. I got long off the lows, and I said I was going to play around my position today, and what we've seen is we've seen this market test a support level and yesterday's highs, and we've sold back down into yesterday's value and testing yesterday's point of control. If we look at this profile, you can see that we auctioned out of yesterday's value, we came up to overhead support, and we've auctioned back down into yesterday's value area and tested yesterday's point of control and volume point of control. And what I've done is I've added to my position here. I've gone in with 2 contracts. I'm looking to get 2 more scale outs if this plan comes accordingly. And we've got crude oil news in about 50 minutes, so depending on what happens with the market for the next 50 minutes depends on how I continue to manage this position regards me adding to this position. And ideally I'd like to get scaled out if possible. I've gone for a lot larger scale outs on this. Normally go for 15, 36 scale outs on the intraday trading. I'm currently just going to try and target some logical levels depending on, like I said, how this continues to develop now. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Obviously I want to see this market react from the point of control and leave excess in C period now, so if we don't get the buying response that I'm expecting, then I might have to get out of the ads that I've done and continue to manage my core position. Anyway, I'll let you know how this continues to develop. Okay, so just took 1 scale off here for about 25 cents on the add to my position. Like I said, I was looking to add to this position down at this area, the point of volume control from yesterday. I did say this morning, when I was saying in the video I did this morning, that I was expecting the market to come down and fill some more volume in here, then hopefully we'll see a reaction and continue rotations up through the current developing composite and profiles. We've got crude oil inventories out in about 25 minutes now, so ideally I need to get this second scale off on this current add to my position, and be managing my core position into the crude oil inventories. Currently at this minute in time, I've got my my second scale out at ETH value area high, which also lines up with the RTH value area high, so it makes sense for me to take this as a second scale out. What I'll be doing here is keeping a close eye on this. I mean, I'm long from about 34, 35 on this current add, and we have now seen C close out as a excess period now, so we have excess at the lows in this current developing profile with a poor high, so this is still looking pretty good to continue to the upside depending on what reaction we get with on the crude oil inventories now. So anyway, I'll keep you posted on how I continue to manage this trade. But what I'm going to show you also is obviously when we came down and we see the test of this point of control area, I could see clear sort of buying absorption, and then the market started to rotate, and they started to lift the offer back up into value here. So anyway, just continuing to monitor all this, and I'll keep you in the loop or how I continue to manage this developing swing trade. Okay, this is just another quick update. It is currently 5 minutes past 11 now. I got fully scaled out on this position into the crude oil inventories. I got filled on this rotation up to the high. I got filled at about 90, so I was fully scaled out before the inventories came out. I just wanted to see what the reaction was. We pulled back down to the developing value area low, and we've seen buyers respond now, so I'm back again managing my core position now, and so far I've banked about 150 cents on this position now from yesterday. So like I said, I'm going to continue to build up and play around my position over the next few days, as long as this market reacts accordingly to my plan. Anyways, I won't be adding to this position anymore today, and I'll let you know how this how this position works out into the close and my thoughts behind this after the close. Anyway, I'll keep you posted and catch you in a bit. Okay, it's just a quick update. I've decided to add to my position again here. We've seen a rotation into the initial balance and back to RTH Vwap and some other confidence levels, and I've added to my position here a tick in front of Vwap, and so I'm looking for another two sort of scale outs here into the close and a possible spike higher into the close with the current situation. I'm going to target the RTH value area high for the first scale out, and the second scale out, depending on what happens here, then I might look for this 108.80 level, which will be the high of the current distribution that we've been trading in on the composite. I mean, we could see this spike higher possibly, but I just think that's a good logical location for these two scale outs if we see what I think is going to happen here. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on how I manage this additional ad here. Okay, finally got this first scale out on this ad. Just banked about another about 30-35 cent I think on that, so looking to see if this can spike higher into the close, and I'm going to try to target the 108.80 level. Some major confidence above us though is this Midas Vwap we've just been respecting, and we came up and tested this already today at the highs, so I'm looking for a break through this possibly today, or it could happen in the overnight session, who knows, but this is quite big confidence above us, so I'm keeping an eye on the 108.55 area as well. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on how I manage this going into the close. Okay, just a quick update on this trade. It's currently about 3 minutes to the close now. Still managing this last scale out. Pretty nice add on this trade now. Been added about 107.95, 96 area. So just real good add on this position. I'm just looking to take profit now. I'll keep you posted on where I take profit here. Okay, just trying to get out here about 108.44. Just waiting for this target to get filled. I mean, this could go higher, we could see this spike higher into the close, but we literally got about a minute left of this trading session, so just going to call it quits here. I just thought we might see a little fluster of buy-in, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this filled here. 37s. Okay, so we're fully scaled out now, managing the core position again. I'm going to do a little bit of research, I'm going to do a bit of some other bits and bobs, and then I'll close this video off with a little review of the day and the plan for tomorrow. Anyway, keep posted. Okay, I'm just going to wrap today up with a sort of trade performance overview of this current trade so far. So I'm going to quickly run through what I've been doing here. So if any of you have been following me, what I've done is I've took a sort of swing trade position on crude. So yes, what I've been tracking is a composite that we've had for the last sort of 4 days of balance, and I was looking to buy this support area and see if we could see rotations higher with this market. And we currently have a spike higher that went to about $112 a barrel, and that was made in the overnight Slowbeck session. So I'm looking for this to be revisited in the pit session. At the minute we've got pretty major confidence with this VWAP. I mean, we're starting to come flat now, and you can see that this has come back into value a few times now. So I'm looking for it to break through this VWAP and see a rotation to the $110 a barrel, and obviously then come up and clean this poor high up here. Just sort of seeing how things unfold as it happens. But so I started to establish a position. So I established a position yesterday from well, I took 2 swings at it. The first go was from the previous day's lows, so I got long yesterday originally off of the first pullback to the lows, and I got my first and second scale out, and I ended up taking a break even on the core position, and I established the position at a better price as we spiked down into J period. and I've been managing the position since then. So what I've done is I've done like a performance overview of this trade so far, so I can track where I'm at with this market. So what I've done is I've done like a simple table. So my initial entry, my first and second scale out, my second entry on the trade, my first second scale outs, and then my adds with the scale outs and the running total of I've been banking since I've established the position, with also my stop positionment and the risk in the trade that I have at the moment. So starting from the beginning, obviously I went long about 107.05, and obviously my core position average was the same. I got my first and second scale out, and I got a 1 tick. I just got a break even +1 on the position, which was 46 cent, and I re-established the position at 106.88 into the close yesterday, and into the closing periods I got my first and second scale out, which was 15.30 cent. So into the close yesterday I was managing a position of 91 cent profits, and I had about 70 cent risk on the table because my stop was at 106.40, under some good confluence where I knew I'd be wrong in the trade. So then today we've opened up higher, and we've seen a great pullback to the yesterday's point of control area, which I plan to add to my position here if everything lined up, which it did, and I added to my position here, and I've got a 29 tick first scale out and then a 56 second scale out on this, which brought my running total to 170 cent and my core average to 107.40. Sorry, this is wrong, it's 107.18. 2 seconds, I'm going to pause this tape and get this correct. Sorry, this is correct. I was just looking at the wrong thing. So yeah, my entry for the ad was at 107.41, and at yesterday's point of control, and I got a 30 tick scale out and a 50 tick scale out, which gave me a running total of 170 cent profits banked on the trade, and my core average at this point was at 107.18. And then into the close today I've added to my position again. We had another sort of great pullback to a great area. We see sort of a previous support area, and today's developing VWAP with the point of control, and I added to my position here expecting a spike into the close. I was actually looking for a spike higher, which we didn't see, but we did see a sort of a buying spike into the close in periods in J and K, just in this upper distribution that we formed. And again on this I've got a 34 tick scale out and a 41 tick scale out. So far I've got 245 cent banked in this trade, and I've got about 70 cent risk. I've moved my stop to the 106.65 area, which is just going to be below this composite now with the excess lows. We've got excess lows now, so my stop's going to be at 106.65. So I don't want to see the market come down and trade here. If I do, then I'll be stopped out and I'm wrong on this position. And so that's my thought process at the moment. So and my core average at the moment is 107.34. So if we measure the Midas VWAP from the anchor point where I went long from, I got long from this level down here. Let me just triple check this. No, wrong chart. Yeah, so I got long from this pullback here to the weekly developing value area low, and other key reference points which I've explained over the last two videos. And so if we anchor the Midas VWAP from here, my core average position is lower than the current running VWAP. So my current core position is at 734. So I'm actually just at the developing value area low for this Midas VWAP. So which is a brilliant position to be in this trade. So I mean, regards to tomorrow, I don't obviously know what's going to happen overnight, but what I'm expecting to happen is this market to open gap up or in the upper end of this distribution and continue to try and move higher. I mean, at the minute we still are in this balance area, and we're in this you can see this nice balance that we've produced over the last 4 days. So I'm looking. So we'll just see what happens here. But obviously, I want to see this market move away from this balanced distribution area now, and try to auction higher. I mean, that's the thought obviously behind this trade, but the main confidence at the minute is this Midas VWAP. Obviously we could see this Midas VWAP hold, and we could see this market sell off from here and the higher this sort of this volume distribution that we've been putting in. But I am expecting the market to come up and clean this high at the 1012 area, and just waiting to see if this breaks through this VWAP or not. Anyway, I think that's about it for the day. I've pretty much explained everything in this video, just looking at some other support levels that I'm looking at. But anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and I'll let you know how I continue to manage this developing position. Any questions, please ask on the forum. Cheers.